Hey guys, welcome to my latest video, and today I'm going to be breaking 2018-2019 status, and this is a retail only set, so my thinking was that I would give this a shot and maybe I can come out with some pretty cool quality autos with the probability being higher than if, hobby were included. Each of these boxes was $20. This red one was from Target and this blue one was from Walmart. And even though the new NBA season is about to start here in less than a month, I still love breaking 2018-2019 because of that rich rookie class. And so if you look at it, you're guaranteed one auto or mem card per box. And the one from Target has 4 purple parallels, and the one from Walmart has 4 green parallels. And all those parallels are going to be rookies. So let's go ahead and give this a shot and see what we get. So I guess let's start with Walmart first. Okay. So I haven't opened this set before, so this will be new for me. There's my packs. So 40 cards per pack or blaster box. So we have 8 packs here. So let's get started. All right. Okay, Joel Embiid, one of my favorite players. There's a Dirk. Garrett Temple. Okay, here's a... This looks to be the parallel, right? I don't know if it's a parallel or not, but Michael Porter Jr. And so I am really high on Michael Porter Jr. I'm really pulling for him. I would like to see him get healthy and see him do well in the NBA. So that's really cool, Michael Porter Jr. Okay. All right, I see a Luka here on the back. Okay, but front, Anthony Davis, Aaron Gordon, Trevor Ariza. This looks to be, what is this? Okay. Colin Sexton rookie, and a Luka rookie. So pretty cool so far. Got some pretty good rookies. It has kind of a chrome finish, and so I'm really not familiar with this set, so I don't know if this is a parallel or not, but it has a nice chrome finish. All right. Oh, there's Mr. Kawhi Leonard, NBA champion. Okay. And a Trae Young rookie. Wow. So we got Luka and Trae Young in this blaster box. Pretty strong. Okay. Nikola Jokic. Alonzo Trier. Okay, NBA champion Marc Gasol. Okay, Kemba Walker, Wendell Carter Jr., Gary Clark. Ben Simmons, Kevin Knox, and DeAndre Ayton. Man, we are really killing it with this blaster box on getting the base rookie cards. And I guess I figured it out. So the rookies have this really nice chrome finish to it. So we got Ayton, we got Luka, we got Trae Young. We're just missing Jaren Jackson Jr. and Marvin Bagley. one blaster box. Okay. All right. So rookie, oh, so it's just like the Michael Porter Jr., it's a insert. So rookie credentials, Keita Bates Diop. Okay. All right, so this is a mem card because I can already feel how thick the pack is. So we'll see what we got. Boogie. Whoa, 2 boogies. Okay. All right, so the mem is a Karl Malone. That's pretty cool. So Karl Malone, legendary status patch. I wonder if it's numbered. So it's not numbered, but nonetheless, it's a pretty cool card here. When I was in high school, I'll be honest, I wasn't that much of a Karl Malone fan, but, you know, you really can't argue about his legendary status. So we have a Karl Malone patch. So that was the box from Walmart. Pretty strong box. I mean, Trae Young, Luka, DeAndre Ayton, that Michael Porter Jr. insert card, which is just a personal favorite of mine, and Karl Malone. So now the box from Target. So same thing. Okay, we'll put the mailman there. All right, so this feels thick. I can probably tell this is the mem pack, a mem, so we'll put that on the bottom there. Well, this also feels kind of thick. We'll see. All right, Joe Ingles. Okay. So some okay rookies there. Kevin Huerter. Kevin Durant, Klay Thompson, that's cool, back-to-back, I mean, Warriors for the 2018-2019 season. All right, what is this here? Rookie Prominence, and looks to be an insert here. Okay. Okay, another insert. Looks like faction. So we got Jamal Murray, Nikola Jokic, and Gary Harris. Pretty cool. And a Jared Vanderbilt rookie. Okay. A little security tag there. PG. Landry Shamet, and Aaron Holiday. All right, Jerome Robinson and Moritz Wagner. Mr. Blake Griffin, Jacob Evans III, and Hamidou Diallo. Alrighty, an insert here, status quo Mike Conley, as we all know now for the Utah Jazz, and Chandler Hutchinson rookie. All right, so this is another mem. I don't know if it could be a mem auto, but we'll see here. go from the back. We got a Javon Carter here, Eric Gordon, and we got, let's see here, a Colin Sexton. That's pretty cool. A Colin Sexton looks like rookie essentials. There's the patch. There's the back of the card. A lot of potential there for Colin Sexton, so hopefully he can do well in Cleveland. So that's what we got from those two blaster boxes. Pretty cool. Not too disappointed. Some pretty cool patch cards. And again, it's a retail-only set, so I was really hoping that maybe hitting a good auto, but not too disappointed. Thank you.